Hi, welcome to Icing on Top Becky's Cakes. I'm Becky and today we're going to make these Easter cupcakes. And I picked the colors because I wanted it to look like a sunrise. And first I'm going to start with some candy melts that I've melted down. These are Wilton's candy melts. I cut the hole out of the bottom of the bag and then I bring about the second bag. This one has a writing tip in it. And what we're going to do is first we're going to write straight up and down one line, and then we're going to fill out that line, and that's the way that we're going to make our ears. Really simple. And these are just Wilton's bright white candy melts, and I'm piping them straight onto my wax paper. And in order to get this consistency, I put them in the microwave for 30 seconds at a time until they're nice and melted like this. And make sure I have a tip in there with that has a writing tip. And here I'm making use of an old oatmeal container, and that'll kind of give it a little bit of a curvature that I want, so I'm going to let them dry in there. And then I'm just going to put some dots on this one. This is going to be our little bunny's backsides here, and we're just going to pop that in the fridge and then come back and do a little swirl on the top for the tail. And so that when we pop them on top of our cupcakes, it looks like a bunny is diving down into our little garden. Now we're going to set these aside, and I'm going to spread out some bright orange frosting, pipe on some pink right in the middle, and then I'm just going to fold that orange all around the pink. And I have my saran wrap here that I've placed it on. So I'm going to fold it right over and make sure my orange touches on both sides. So I kind of sandwich that pink in between, and that'll give me the color tone that I want, with the orange on the outside and the pink on the inside. Just roll that all together. And I'm going to snip one end and pop it right into here. I have a Russian piping tip here, and this one looks like the little rose one. So when you squeeze it out, it'll look like you're piping on a rose. And then I have one more here, and I'll put that one as pink and yellow. And then I'm going to spread some frosting on my cupcake so it has something to stick to. I'll do the pink and yellow one right here, pipe that, squeeze and pull. And what you do is you press the tip into that frosting so that it sticks, and as you're pulling away you're still applying some pressure, and then you release the pressure and keep pulling, and that'll make it high enough to look like a flower. Let me try it again. You can see as I do it quickly here. And then I'm going to use my leaf tip, and I'm just going to fill this all in so it looks like we have some great foliage going on here. And then I'm going to grab my bunnies and I'm going to put them right in here so they look like they're diving into our little gardens here. And put some ears coming out of some. And you see the curvature that comes from putting it in something that's a little curved while it hardens. And then you just put them right into the frosting like that. And there's our Easter cupcakes. Please subscribe to my channel.